Okay, hello, my name is Michal Bryxí. I came here to give you a talk about our small project. I came here into Edinburgh about a month ago on my bike from Belfast. I don't know too many people, so please don't be shy after this, say hi. I think most of us here are either developers or operations engineers, somewhere in between, or something, doing something related to IT, right? If not, you probably want to ask for a refund on your tickets because you're in a wrong place. Anyway, I think most of us experience this thing when your friends have approached you and goes, "Hi." What? "Hi, I need a simple app. It will do this and that, and I need you to do that." And you're like, "But why do you want to build this thing? It seems pretty generic. Like, why don't you take one of the hundreds of off-the-shelf solutions? Why don't you just use something that's already there on the market?" And at that point, they are very confident, right? They are like, no, it's very simple, but nobody ever did that before. It's very unique. And you're like, sure, I'm sure about this. Well, anyway, I'm here right now talking about our small project. So we founded a startup. So let's define our stack. Let's define what we're doing. We need some backend. We need some front end. We need to store some data. We need to host the thing somewhere. We need, obviously, CI pipeline. We need to store somewhere the source code. Oh, 2 months later, this doesn't really work. This database doesn't hold the data. This CI is very slow for us. We need to retheme the whole thing because now the thing we were using, oh, damn it, 2 months later, everybody's doing Docker, so we have to move everything to the Docker. We need to send emails. We need to move our front end to different hosting. We need to monitor the things. We need to have some Facebook presence, etc., etc. Stop. Don't panic. Breathe. Is this really necessary? Is this really what it is about? Adding the layers, adding the complexity, changing things? Well, the truth is, things change. Technologies change. Everything change. Even the trends change. And you can't really stop it. Right now, you can't tell what will be next year, after 2 years, after 5 years. It's absolutely unpredictable. The thing is, you have your project. You have your child. So treat it as a child. Give it some boundaries so it can't get hurt. Give it some space so it can grow. I don't know what else. Water it sometimes, or what do you people do with your children? Obviously, I'm not a parent. And you can't avoid this. Eventually, your child might go evil and try to wipe out half of the population, but that's inevitable. A chart, everybody loves charts, right? So the blue part is the number of startups in the UK in 2017, 10,016. The red part is how many of them failed, which is quite a lot, right? It's roughly 90%. And the black part is the number of people out of 10,000 who should never, ever, ever use pie charts in their presentations because they don't know what they are doing, including me. Now I have to wait because I don't know what's next. Numbers. Numbers are nice. So just some stats. We have roughly 15,000 lines of code. In last year or so, we had 974 runs of our CI, and we have roughly 10% code coverage. Is that low? Is that too much? I don't know. I don't really care. The thing is evolving. The thing is living. And where we are right now, we will be somewhere completely different in 9 years. Right now, the process of ours is plan light, develop fast, and get the feedback as often as possible. This is what currently works for us in our stage. And the next time my friend goes, "Hi, I need a simple app," my response will be more likely, "Sure, why not?" Thank you.